Today's video brings us to the kitchen. We've got a loose faucet handle for our kitchen sink. It's a very, very simple fix. So today I'm going to be showing my girls how to do that. All three of them. Say hi. Hi! Alrighty. So join me over near the sink and we'll get going on this. So here I've got a loose kitchen faucet. As you can see, it takes a little bit before it even catches any sort of tension. Now, there's a lot of different versions of this. Mine is about as easy as it gets. I've got a cover right here that I'm just going to pop off. And then inside here, we've got an Allen head. Let me show you what I mean by that. All right, so inside, way up in there, we've got an Allen head. Now that tends to get loose inside there. So I've got my Allen head. I've got the right size here. We've got a 3/32 for this particular sink. Now most of them are going to be about the same size. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. And tighten that up. Don't over tighten, but make sure she's nice and snug. And now I've got no play whatsoever. Like that will actually turn it. No play. We'll replace our cover. That's it, guys. I certainly appreciate you joining me today for just one more thing to knock off your list. Taking a loose and wobbly sink and tightening that up. Now, like I said before, most sinks are going to be a little bit different, but for the most part, you will have a cap you can take off, and from there you can tighten your sink. Go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.